Hello, I'm Mark from EcoHome Insulation. If you're looking to work from home, having your own space away from the house can massively increase your productivity, the privacy and the pleasure you can enjoy of working from home. And it's something I've done for many years. This is why I've designed the fully insulated EcoStudio, a garden building for all year round use. Now you can have one fully installed in your garden or buy one in a kit form and install it yourself. Please come with me and let me show you what makes the EcoStudio really special.
With the EcoStudio, you have the option of full glass front for plenty of natural light and full opening doors that can open inwards or outwards. It's your choice. The building is modular, so it can be supplied in many sizes to suit your garden. I wanted a 16-foot by 10-foot deep office. I also wanted enough space for a meeting room and to occasionally use it as a garden party room at weekends. I decided to have the option of a side door fitted for simple access to the side decking. The exterior walls are built with eco-cladding, which is made from compressed timber and a special resin which, unlike ordinary timber, does not rot. The cladding is ready primed to paint in a colour of your choice.
The insulation system on the EcoStudio is really special. Between these 92mm walls, the roof and the floor, there's a layer of EcoQuilt Expert insulation. Now this is designed to reflect heat back into the building on winter days, but on hot summer days it's also designed to reflect excessive solar heat away from the building. So it keeps you warmer in winter and cooler in summer.
I wanted a light airy feel to my office with open space, strong white walls and ceiling, low energy lighting, brushed stainless steel electric fittings and a contemporary style laminate floor. The walls are cladded with groove matchboard, which is easy to paint and even simpler to fix shelving to than plasterboard. I had blinds fitted to block excess sun, and when required I can fully close when the office is not in use. My desk was custom made by the installation team. Importantly, the whole building has a roof covering that's a special single ply membrane rubber roof, guaranteed to be leak free for 10 years. My EcoStudio modular kit was installed in just 2 days. All the extra work to completion was done in 3 days. The work was carried out by a 2-man installation team. They start on Monday morning early and finish on Friday evening.
Of course, the EcoStudio isn't all about work. It's a place where you can come to relax, enjoy music, read, or give the children a space of their own, away from the home. You can have the EcoStudio delivered in as little as 3 weeks, with prices ranging from £4,000 to £12,000. And if you have a business, you can even lease the EcoStudio for as little as £40 a week. To download the brochure, the EcoStudio, visit multifoil-insulation.com, where you can also see the video with all the sizes too.